Later that night, Alvin and Erica are treated to a feast by Mrs. Zhou with the villagers.
因为我们这边靠洪州湖的边上面呀，水源非常好。我们盱眙的虾子，它们就叫尾部大，头比较小，皮薄肉嫩。二个呢，通过我们20余种中草药烹制的，一个营养价值高，它的味道也非常好。
The food was nothing short of sumptuous and mouth-watering.
Yes, very much. Whoa, whoa, wow. Hey.
All right.
Oh, wow.
You know, we picked these fresh this morning.
Yes.
I cannot wait to sink my teeth into them.
Oh, God. Look at
Actually, this is my first time eating crayfish. How are you supposed to open one of these?
You first of all, you're supposed to just take the head out and suck the head out here. And just grab the claws like that.
And then just crack it open like a lobster tail, I guess?
Yeah.
这个菜叫石山香小龙虾，有20种这个中草药调料组合成的，那个叫蒜梨龙虾。
Garlic? You know, I love the garlic crayfish, but it actually has quite a bit of heat.
It's almost buttery, you know?
You can definitely taste how fresh these are.
There's a lot of garlic, but I tell you, I love garlic.
Do you have any idea what the 13 spices are?
I smelled it. I think there was some cumin, there was some cloves.
I definitely get some cinnamon right away.
Yeah.
Look at it, it's just dripping with juice.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's because they're just so fresh or she's just a genius at cooking them, but
No,
they're flawless.
I think it's a matter of both. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Yeah. I know you spent all morning catching these, so tell me, which one is your favorite?
I think the fact that she took me out in the morning and I had to hand pick each one of these, they're kind of like my children, so I can't choose a favorite. I love them both equally.
Well, we haven't tried this yet, and this has got to be the star of the show.
All right,
so
yeah, let me give
let's
you a
have some
serving.
rice here.
这个是这个虾的尾部虾仁，然后加上这个大米，是我们这个虾稻共生的这个无公害大米，它没有施任何的农药。我尝尝看，我也没尝尝看。
When I taste this, I taste harmony. Harmony between the crayfish and the rice. Crayfish, perfectly seasoned, and the rice acts as a sponge, absorbing the sauce is wonderful. Thank you for cooking us this incredible meal.